Now, blocked ear can be due to a number of reasons, and one of the most common causes is earwax. Earwax is naturally secreted by special glands in the outer ear canal, and it lubricates, cleans and protects the ear from dust, dirt and bacteria. The body naturally removes earwax through jaw movement and the skin of the ear canal growing towards the outside. However, for some people, they might have narrow or hairy ear canals, or they might produce too much earwax that can be removed, which then hardens or becomes impacted and can cause blocked ear with reduced hearing, ringing sensation, dizziness, itching and earache. Use of earplugs, earphones and hearing aids can also make you prone to earwax. So doctor, how do I get rid of earwax at home? Do not use cotton buds, as this pushes the wax deeper into the ear canal. You've heard or used options like almond oil or olive oil drops, which do work, but some people end up still needing ear syringing. I'll recommend using sodium bicarbonate drops. This is because sodium bicarbonate drops dissolve the wax, while olive oil drops just softens it. There are different brands available over the counter, or you can make it yourself at home like this. Add a quarter teaspoon of baking soda to teaspoons of water. Fill the ear canal and leave it in for 1 hour. After an hour, most of the wax should be dissolved. When the wax is soft, wash it out with water. If you do buy sodium bicarbonate drops over the counter, you will need to use it twice daily in the affected ear, and it takes less than 7 days to work compared to olive oil, which can take up to 2 weeks for the wax to soften and fall out. However, some people might find sodium bicarbonate drops tends to dry the ear, while olive oil has a lubricating effect, so it all comes down to personal preference. To use the drops, lay with your head on one side for a couple of minutes to allow the drops to soak into the ear canal. After this period, tissue may be used to soak up any excess from the outside of the ear. Prolonged use of any type of earwax removal drop can lead to risk of bacterial infection. As you can imagine, all the dirt, wax and liquid just sitting inside the ear. So I would advise to see your doctor if you have any new symptoms or if any of your symptoms are getting worse. Also, do not assume your symptoms are due to earwax, and I would recommend getting your ears examined before putting anything in there. Another effective method for earwax removal is ear syringing, which involves raising the wax from the ear using warm water from an electronic irrigator. However, this is not recommended in children, and the water pressure could damage the eardrum, causing hearing loss or tinnitus, and even sometimes making your tinnitus worse. But this might also be that removing the wax makes the tinnitus louder as opposed to the syringing itself. In any case, these are rare complications, and for most people, ear syringing should be a generally safe procedure. However, you will need to still use ear drops to soften the wax before syringing can be done. There are other forms of earwax removal that might be more effective and safer than ear syringing, such as microsuction, but like syringing would have to be done by a competent health professional. There are hundreds of earwax removal home kits in the market that contain ear drops and syringes, claiming to be safe and effective, but I'd recommend you do your own research and check the reviews before buying any of these products and follow the instructions carefully. If you would like to know more about improving your health, then please subscribe to my health channel.